Me and my father got interested in aviation. We watched videos on YouTube and documentaries. I also have Lego planes.
Air France, Etihad Airways, Tiger Air Australia, Sun Express, Brussels Airlines, British Airways, Capital Airlines, Azerbaijan Airlines, Delta Airlines, Saudi Arabian Airlines, West Air, Air Mauritius, Singapore Airlines.
When I got a Guinness record, I felt great and excited, and we decided to have a celebrate by my mother bringing 2025 of airplane models.
Show me your license. What? I don't have license. Now you have to go to jail.
Actually, since he was 2.5 years, I could make out that he's got strokes of genius in him, because he started reading 2-letter words on his own. And then I realized that he could also identify pictures, it could be logos, signs, symbols, and he developed an interest in, especially in flags and brands and things like that. So he's been interested in anything under the sun, like the solar system, aviation industry, geography related topics, oceans, mountains, buildings, everything. So, and especially Legos, he's really, really passionate about building structures and models with Lego.
Some trains can go backwards.
I'm not sure if I want to become a pilot or a veterinary doctor. I'm not sure, but I may become one of these.